Rajinikanth acts for movie cameras, his fans act for media cameras.
I disagree.
Why?
See, there are so many of his fan clubs which are doing a lot of charitable work as well, and I'm sure I know of the existence of such fan clubs. There are people who are educating the rural poor. There are so many people who are doing things that's not really being covered by the cameras or the news channels or any other show. But see, I think whether it's anybody's fans, if you take the camera to the general public, everybody wants to put their hand up and wave. Look at it in a concert thing, when the Jimmy Jib is going about capturing the audiences, everybody stands up and waves. So I don't think it's just the excitement of seeing a camera. It's not because of Rajini fans acting for the camera. I do not agree.
Alright, Sridhar Pillai next. Kalanidhi Maran we all know is a marketing Goliath, for whom the sky is only perhaps just the beginning, even before SpiceJet came into being. So it's the costliest film ever made in India. You have all the gizmos. Shankar almost wants to be a James Cameron and a Steven Spielberg put together. So it's not the star power here that is in focus.
Yeah, when you spend 150 crores, you want to get it at the earliest. What's wrong in that? If they claim that they have spent 150 crores on this movie, so you release in over 2,000 screens, and you get your money faster. And that's the way the world cinema is doing at the moment. You see a big Hollywood blockbuster like say Spider-Man or something like that releases in almost 4,500 to 5,000 screens worldwide, same day, same hour. So if Mr. Rajinikanth does it, what's wrong in that? You have to get your money at the earliest, and every day 5 shows, 6 shows, people are going to queuing up to see the movie. You have to cash in on that.
How many times have you seen it?
I have already seen it 3 times, 3 continuous days, right? Thank from goodness. Day one. And I've seen it in, I have seen it in 3 different theaters in Chennai. I've seen with the upper class audience at Satyam Cinemas.
Well, I think you've seen it, okay, with Rajinikanth, and you've seen it Mr. Karunanidhi also at Satyam Theatre. Next question to you, Chinmay. Shrewd marketing strategy, dispensing with minimum guarantee, also releasing it simultaneously in 3 languages. So is this marketing muscle or star power?
It's definitely star power. So how many Tamil actors at this point in time in their career, they are absolutely a legend here as long as the South is concerned. All pan-South, he is a known name. But it's only after Shivaji, I'm told, that his name started selling in Bollywood as well. And there are people who have almost the same kind of mania is building up there with so many fans who do or do not understand Tamil. They want to go and watch a Rajinikanth film for the pure entertainment factor, and the way his style and his slow smile coming up on the screen and the way he dances, whatever he's doing of his dancing, everything. They want to see that on screen. And I believe whether they are doing it in 3 languages at the same time or not and releasing across how many of our screens. There's also one more thing that I would like to say, countering Mr. Sudhangan's point. We do not have the luxury of seeing whether the films can run for 100 days or even 1,000 days in one screen, by which time today we probably forget the presence of the pirated DVDs.
All right.
We do not have that.
All right. Thank you very much, Team 1. We'll slide into another short break on SL Chennai Speaks Out. Actually, I've been holding both the teams back, but then I'm not going to do that in the next round coming up. Stay tuned for Crossfire. Welcome back to the climax, shall we say, of SL Chennai Speaks Out Season 2. This is our 3rd round. It's called Crossfire, on the proposition, the Rajinikanth phenomenon, star power or marketing muscle. Let the free-for-all begin.
I'll start. You actually said the actor has, the star has killed the actor, but you contradicted yourself and said this is a Shankar film in which Rajinikanth has acted, and he has probably sailed past, and he's really done very well as an actor.
Sorry. Listen. Sorry. There is no contradiction.
1 minute. Jnani never said Rajini acted. It's Shankar's film. You are pulling words from him. Sorry.
No, and another thing is,
So what is a verb for actor, sir? Acting, sir?
No, let us.
Rajini appeared in that.
See, we are.
Rajini appeared, not acted.
He didn't say appeared. He said
See,
Shankar has directed the actor Rajini.
I have never denied Rajini's talent. That is a totally issue out of this. The issue here is he has been converted into a star. This is what is happening.
If it's possible to create a star, I would request AVM to create a star out of you now.
Very, very simple. Very, very simple. It is possible to create a star not just out of me, even out of you as well.
Sir.
Because it is simply a question of using money.
She's already a star, but
No, I'm talking about a star on par with our idol.
No, one thing.
Yes, sir.
Big producers have never produced any stars. The commercial companies, they will not pick up a raw man from the street.
Only actors have to first come.
First
they
come,
have,
they
to be,
will take it.
they have to be established as actors by creative filmmakers. Then the commercial wallas take them over.
Take them over.
Convert them into stars.
But corporate company gets your mass audience.
No, the
What's
point
wrong
is
in
no,
that?
So Rajini doesn't get. Only the corporate company is getting.
No, the Rajini.
You also contradict.
No,
It is not Rajini who's pulling the market,
let
it's a
us-
corporate company.
A combination
So then
of-
the corporate company can have you as a hero.
No,
Rajini?
Rajinikanth gets the audience, but he also needs some
If
marketing.
tomorrow-
What's wrong in
if
that?
Tomorrow Rajinikanth gives me a date.
Ah.
I will become a big corporate company. I ask him to give me a date.
Then the film will-
Rajini
then the film will be
doesn't
a big flop.
Rajinikanth.
You need marketing muscle to survive in modern day Cinekanth films.
If there is a
Everybody
pull-
from the cycle stand fellow to the canteen fellow makes money.
It is not happening that way.
That's true, that's true.
in fact, they say that the parking ticket sales of Indiran far surpass that of the movie collection of Anjani.
Very good. My
Also-
point is you are all talking sitting only in a metropolitan city.
Ah.
In districts you don't have a parking lot, you don't have cars coming for the theatre. In districts people at best come by two-wheelers and by walk and by bus, and they are the ones who really have been making Rajini a star. And they are the audiences who have been paying out of their nose. Okay, so there this parking lot business is typical urban phenomenon. So that has nothing to do with the film's collections. It is a very negligible
because the
percentage.
point that we have taken for Anjana Anjani is a multiplex film.
See, we are not talking about Anjana Anjani. Let us look at
No,
one
that's
thing.
also the
See, why
point.
Rajini's film is global today? Simply because you have a huge diaspora of EM Tamils. But for EM Tamils throughout the world, there will be no Tamil film which can become a global film.
I disagree, sir.
No, it is because of the EM Tamils it has
Chandramukhi
become-
was dubbed into German. It was called the Meister Jagger, and it made phenomenal amounts of money in Germany. Yes, yes. I studied German. I know that.
But what do you say about the new generation people? Okay, the internet savvy people in US and other places who are followers of Mr. Rajinikanth. They need not be Rajinikanth followers. They need not be Rajinikanth followers. But why are they going buying at $40 one ticket? Why are they buying it?
If you
For
go
how many days?
No, in fact, if you go, everyone wants to go and see the film because of the hype created. That's what we are talking about.
Mr. Rajinikanth is a
And
path
networks
breaker
marketing.
and Tamil cinema has reached new heights.
No.
You will see the results for Manmadan Amber. You will see the results for Manmadan. If Rajinikanth's movie is releasing in 2,000 odd theatres, Manmadan Amber will release in more than 1,000 theatres. This film has given a new lease of life to Tamil cinema in a lot of ways. The Tamil cinema is
It is
going to be
killing,
released
it is
worldwide.
killing Tamil cinema because it is killing small producers, it is killing small creative directors, it is preventing 70 films from releasing in Tamil Nadu, 70 films which have been completed and censored, they are all waiting for screens. Those who made Pasanga or those who made Angadi Tere, such kind of creative small filmmakers are all suffering.
I
right now.
think Angadi Thiru did very well in the multiplexes in Chennai City.
No, Angadi Tere did everywhere well without a market hype, and which means that is the true worth of the film. It did without a market hype. Supposing, imagine a similar market hype for Angadi Tere, it would have gone beyond Rajinikanth. That is a phenomenon.
Are you even questioning the fact that Rajinikanth is a phenomenon?
No, Rajinikanth is not a phenomenon. Right in the beginning I said, he is a star. He has been made into a star. Bhagavath was a phenomenon, MGR was a near phenomenon.
How do you distinguish a star from a phenomenon?
Phenomenon is something which is happening on one's own and which creates a trend, which influences the
I
society.
think Mr.
which influences
Rajinikanth
the
is a
society,
phenomenon and
which-
nobody will pay 300 rupees. If anybody asking a person
There are
to pay
people
300
talking-
rupees,
But in the case of
they
Rajini,
There are people talking about even patenting Rajini mannerisms
no,
and Rajiniisms.
my point is that those can be done because they are all again commercial activities. Bhagavath was wooed by Congress party to become an MP or an MLA. He refused.
Rajinikanth is also being moved by
was
every
part-
party.
Let us come to that.
No,
MGR was part of
Rajinikanth is being
political
moved by every
movement.
party.
But Rajini is someone who shies away from politics. He never talks politics when he has no release of a film.
Tickets are sold in the theatre counter for 300 and 400 rupees with tax exemptions,
Sir,
which
for-
have lost to revenue for exchequer of 9 crores.
Every Tamil
9
film is
crores.
tax
Every film with a
exempted.
Tamil title, right?
Not 300 rupees at the counter. Not 300 rupees or 400 rupees counter. None of the political parties are raising their voice because they want Rajini's patronage, Rajini's popularity.
They want
that is
Rajini.
why Rajini went to every
All right. So maybe even the political, all right, we're running out of time on this segment, but maybe even the political parties want the Rajini phenomenon to as muscle power for their own election campaigns. More and more, I know the
That is
audience.
again marketing strategy of the politicians.
All right, the audience now itching to ask a question. We won't delay that any further. Stay tuned. Coming up next is Public Punch. Star power or marketing muscle. This is the time for our last round, Public Punch.
You said two movies at the same time and this movie and that movie, etc., etc., etc. Can you name one movie, an Indian movie, which is screened in so many theatres across the globe? I don't think without Rajini, nobody else movie it is possible. And I would like to make a small comment about Rajini. We are talking about a flawless diamond. We are talking about a flawless diamond.
Well, as a fan, nothing better is expected from you, and this is a maximum a fan can perhaps think of. Unfortunately, you don't have a milk pot with you here to go and pour it over a Rajini idol. But point is, please imagine, Rajini was born not the year in which he was born. Imagine that he was living in 60s. Imagine he was acting in films in 60s. His film would have been released only in the same number of theatres the way MGR and Shivaji films were released. If MGR and Shivaji are living right now, their films would be released in large number of screens. These are social changes. These are social changes that have been happening over the years.
You have forgotten about the audience. You are talking about fans, corporate companies, money pouring. Is all that make a star? What about Chiranjeevi he, in Andhra Pradesh? He is retired. If a corporate company, fans and money can make a big star, how come Chiranjeevi stopped and Rajinikanth is flourishing, sir?
Very, very simple. It's very simple. It depends on Chiranjeevi's own ambitions, his own agenda, and individuals are different. Kamal is different from Rajini. So each one has a different agenda as far as their film work is concerned. So if Chiranjeevi wanted to become like Rajini, then he could have tried. He didn't want to. As simple as that.
Can the same type of feeling and emotion can be created on the Rajini's style and acting, or the entry in the movie, the starting entry? Can the same type of emotion, feeling what the public feel, can it be created by some other actor or through an advertisement? Can it be possible?
It has been
Other actors in Tamil cinema have trying to imitate Mr. Rajinikanth. All the new breed of actors who have come up, they want to be action heroes and they want to be Rajinikanth. And somebody was mentioning here creation of fan clubs and all these guys have also fan clubs, and they are supposed to be spending money on their fan clubs to get that kind of audience. But Rajinikanth has got the public all over, spread all over the world, which no other hero has.
If you look at history, please look at history. MGR also had mannerisms, and do you know this mannerism of MGR? MGR's fans of those days in 60s would immediately clap for that kind of a mannerism, and MGR had this mannerism, and every actor has his mannerism, and everyone who had been a star has the mannerism. And Kamal's die-hard fans would start admiring him the moment he starts doing this.
But the emotions and feelings created by Rajini to the
No,
public
it
is
will be different
phenomenal.
from actor to actor. Rajini's fans will swear by him, Kamal's fans will swear by him, MGR's fans will swear by him. That's how it will be.
One thing I tell you, one information. Chandralekha was the first film released 600, 700 prints in those days, in 60s. Vasan released that film in one theatre, 50s. Vasan released that film in one theatre in Tanjavur. There was another two theatres. The theatre owners came to Vasan and said, you give me another 2 prints, I want to release. Vasan refused, said, I will not kill the other producers who want to release a film. What will happen to the other producers who want to release that film? So, there was healthy competition. There was days when Kamal's film was released, Rajini film will release. Both the fans will go to both the theatres.
If you deny the Rajinikanth phenomenon, why am I here? Why are you people here? Why is NDTV Hindu debating on this issue? That is my...
All debates in society happen around what is very vital and important to a society. What is vital need not always be good. There are so many bad, we did discuss corruption. Does
Alright,
it
yes,
mean
sir.
that all of us support corruption?
Initially for the film Robot, the people who were selected for Kamal Hassan and they went to Shah Rukh Khan, and after that it's for Ajit Kumar. Finally you are run back to Rajinikanth only. If you have really good in marketing strategy, why you are running behind Rajinikanth and A.R. Rahman?
Simple. The question I want to ask is, why they did not go straight away first to Rajini at all? Why did they think of other actors at the first place?
They are choosing the best
the first
one.
thought was
They
not
are
on
choosing
Rajini
the
at all.
best.
First attempt was not
First
Rajini.
attempt was